Okay, so as soon as we come in, I noticed this room is very similar to the non-accessible rooms, but you do have your beverage cooler and your coffee maker as soon as you come in. I also noticed that they have a little hand grip right here to make it easy if you happen to be in a chair or somebody in your party. There is a table that is also accessible. It has wheels and you can turn it around if need be. The bed is lower to the ground, as well as the end tables and all the plug-ins. And you have your plug-ins below the TV and also some drawers right here with easy access. You have your safe located right here. And you do have another chair right here if you need to put that with the table over here. But I just think it is so cute with Minnie and Mickey and Donald up there. And this is a king bed. And then you have the little hangers right here. You can hang your bags on. It is lower to the ground, so it is accessible. Also, the closet area right here, it is accessible. And then you have some extra towels and stuff. And I see your hair dryer right back there. This is the typical barn door style. Can close that off. One of the major differences with the accessible room and the non-accessible, the bathroom is one big bathroom. You have the grab bars here, and you also have some shelving here. There's an area where you can roll up underneath the vanity if need be. And also a makeup mirror, and that makeup mirror is a little bit lower. And this one is with a tub. They do have showers along with a shower chair, just a roll-in shower if you need that as well. But this one actually had the tub, and it does have the handheld shower head and the standard shower head. And you also have those H2O products down at the bottom. But this room is very similar to the non-accessible rooms, but this room does have a lot of extra floor space. If you or somebody in your party is in a wheelchair and needs that extra space to move about in the chair. And it is lower to the ground, so you do lose that storage space underneath. But this is a nice room.